boys and girls. Today we are going to do some math art. We are going to make some art by Skip County, and we'll decorate it, and it will help you practice your multiplication facts. All you need is plain paper. I use colored pencils. If you want to make your outside marker darker, you can use a black marker or a black Sharpie. And I also use a ruler to help me with some of my lines. So, to begin with, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to use your pencil, and as big and as dark as you can make your line so that you can see it. You're going to draw your circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be a circle. This is your artwork to help you practice. Now though, what I will do is I will use my ruler and kind of eyeball it, find what you think is the center. You're going to draw one line across. Do the same thing here. Kind of what you think the center is. And now you have fourths. You're going to take each of these sections now. This fourth, I'm going to draw two lines and divide it into thirds. You're going to continue this around your circle. You're going to divide each fourth into thirds. So when you're done, kind of looks like a beach ball. Now, you're going to start with this top section, and we're going to start with a number 1. I'm going to number clockwise around the circle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to draw a circle around the outside line where I numbered by ones. Now you're going to take the section where there is a 1 and you're going to put 2. Now skip count my 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Pick a new color. Draw a circle around the outside. Find your 1s. Next is 3. Skip count by 3s clockwise around the circle. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. Pick a new color. Draw your circle. Find the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip count around clockwise by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Now take a new color. Draw your circle. So, as we've continued our pattern, this is kind of what it looks like. Looks like you're kind of making like in a dartboard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. We need a new color. Draw your circle with your new color. Okay, now we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Draw your circle with this color. Next one is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. I'll draw my circle. I'll move on to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. Now I'm going to choose a color. Draw your circle around your answers. Then we're going to do 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, and 108. And in my circle, I've run out of room, but you could have made your lines a little bit smaller so that you could go all the way up to your 10s or even up to your 12s. For example, here's one that I did that went all the way up to my 10s as I was writing them out. Now, once you have all of your skip counting done, then you're going to choose the color that you started with. We started with pink on mine, and we're going to color in all of the pink circle. So now that we've done that, all of our ones are pink. Now we're going to use the next outer color, which was a green. And we are going to color in all of our green circle that we've skip counted by 2s. So next, our row of skip counting by 2 is green. Now we'll take our blue. We're going to color in our next row by blue. So we'll color in this row with the blue. Go to the next row. Here's our blue. The next row, we used a red. So we will color in our next circle with our red. And you can go back and fill in any little spots you may have missed. Your next one, we did an orange. Keep coloring this circle in, this row on the circle with the orange, where we have skip counted by 5s. And so as you will do this, in the next row we would have colored with purple. The next row we would have colored with yellow. The next row we would have colored with blue, a lighter blue than this one, and then a darker green on the last row. And when we're done, then each of these rows represents a set of multiplication facts. For example, the pink circle is your 1's multiplication facts. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. All the way around to 1 times 12 is 12. Then the green circle represents your 2 multiplication facts. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. All the way around until you get to 2 times 12 equals 24. Your blue is your 3 multiplication facts. Your red would be your 4 multiplication facts. You always look at the section of the circle that counts by 1s and it'll tell you. The orange then is your 5s. Purple would be your 6s. Yellow would be 7s. Blue would be 8s. And the last one, the darker green, would be 9s when we're done. So let me show you what your last row would be. Your darker green. And again, doesn't have to be perfect. This is for you. So some of your circle pieces will be larger than others. If you wanted to, you could make each section of your circle exactly the same. But as I said, this is for you and for your practice. So the sections and the lines of the circles do not have to be exactly the same. So here we're going to keep coloring with our green. You may need to keep if you're using colored pencils, you probably want to have a little sharpener in case you need it nearby so that you can quickly sharpen your pencil as you need to. Because each ring of the circle, of course, is going to be a larger amount to cover and to color. So you'll keep going then until your very last outer ring, of course, is the green. Each one of these would be a different color, and then your finished product then would let you practice your 1s, your 2s, 3s, your 4s, your 5s, your 6s, your 7s, your 8s, all the way up to your 9s. If you wanted your circle to be a little bit smaller and your sections to be a little bit smaller, you could even take your 1s all the way up to your 12s so that you could practice times tables all the way up to your 12s. So see, you can find artwork where you can have fun with math, and it's still a useful tool for you to use to practice your multiplication facts. Hope you've enjoyed making this multiplication wheel and circle art. Have a great day.